In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your wallet to the Grass project, your Solana wallet to the Grass project. If you are new to Grass, I'll leave the link at the description and also the first comment. Make sure you join this project. And if you are new to this YouTube channel, please subscribe, give me a like, and also leave a comment at the comment section. Now let's get into it. All right, so during the 18th, 19th, 20th, thereabout, Grass told us to connect our wallet. So immediately you hear connect to your wallet, we know that you are getting closer to the end of the airdrop, okay, the project itself, so that they will start giving us our airdrop if there's any. Yeah, so that is it. Grass is basically using your internet bandwidth, okay, is going to sell your internet bandwidth, and it's going to give you some points back, okay, for the bandwidth that is going to sell, you understand? And it is not going to use a bandwidth that will affect your internet progress, so don't worry at all. All right, so I'll leave the link. Make sure you join this project because this project has greater potential, and its focus is about AI. So if you read about this, it says that for a few reasons this is a momentous occasion, not just for Grass but for the entire AI industry. Our plan has always been to completely revolutionize the development of artificial intelligence, and here's why this is so important, so you can read about this. All right, so I showed you that because I want you to know their mission and their vision. All right, so that's it. So all you have to do is to come to the reward section. Then you can see we have the verify email. Make sure you verify your email. If you want to verify your email, you just have to click on the icon over here. Then you will see this. Just click on verify and verify your email. Let me close this. All right, so now connect to your wallet. So I'm going to click on connect to our wallet, and I'm going to use the Phantom wallet. So I'm going to click on Phantom. You can use Software, that's your own cup of tea, but I'm going to use Phantom. All right, so I'm going to click connect. So are you using Ledger? No, I'm not using Ledger. Click verify. So confirm. All right, so sign a signature has been verified. So you can see I have verified my I've connected my wallet. All right, so confirm wallet in email. So start. So send verification link. So it has been sent. I'm going back to my email. All right, so I came to my email and this is my wallet. So click the link below to verify that you own this. Okay, so let me cross check my wallet. If you want to send me Solana, that's your own cup of tea, send me something. So receive, so you can see this is it. Okay, this is it. Yeah, this one. All right, so that's my wallet. So click verify wallet, and you can see wallet successfully verified. So return to dashboard, and you can see back to rewards, and you can see it's still here unchecked. All right, so let me refresh and see, and you can see that confirm wallet in email, and I have done that. All right, so basically that is how you can connect your Solana wallet to your Grass account. And please, if you don't know how to create a Phantom or Solana wallet, just leave it at the comment section. I'm going to do that for you. If you want me to show you how to create that in your MetaMask, just let me know and I'm going to do just that for you. Let's meet in the next video. Please subscribe and follow me on X, join my Telegram channel, and make sure you check the description down below. I have the link to Grass. Make sure you hop on it. There's still time. You can gather something, because even today I was able to gather like 900 of the Grass point. Okay, so you can gather something. All right, if you hop on even for a week, you can get like 5k and you can do something. All right, so thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.